The evening we all were eagerly waiting for is here. Flow Jaipur chapter warmly welcomes Ms. Sushmita Sen.
Namaste, I'm Sushmita Sen from a country where love is the essence of life, India.
Ma'am, these little girls are a part of the pilot project of computer training introduced by Flow Jaipur chapter in association with Jagrati Balika Sadan. To felicitate Ms. Sen, I request our chairperson, Ms. Preeti Sabu, to come forward and present her a green welcome. बालिका सदन से आई हुई ज्योति और नीतू से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि वो आगे आएं और अपना एक्सपीरियंस हमारे साथ शेयर करें.
Good evening everyone, I am Nitu Kumari from Jagrati Balika Sadan School. I am thankful to Mrs. Preeti Sabo from Flow Jaipur chapter for giving us computer teacher to learn computers in our schools. We enjoy our computer class very much.
This personality needs no introduction. She is bold, she is beautiful, she is intelligent, she is glamorous. She is the pride of India and of every Indian. Yes, friends, she is Ms. Sushmita Sen.
If Sushmita was a word in English dictionary, she would be this, magnificent.
Oh, thank you very much.
I'm pretty sure that many women present here see you as their role model. I'm your ardent fan, and who knows better than you? I've been following her since 1.5 years, and thank you for all your patience.
I want to say something after you finish.
Thank you for gracing us today, Miss Saint today.
Oh, thank you very much. तो ऐसा है मेरी जान. Good evening, good afternoon, Jaipur, and you beautiful, beautiful ladies. Thank you so much for having me. ऐसा सुना है मैंने कि women should be ladylike. आपने सुना है? ऐसे शर्मा के क्यों हाँ कह रही हैं? कहिए ना. Ladylike. But ये कहीं नहीं लिखा है कि जब आप किसी को दिल से वेलकम करो तो तालियां जोर से नहीं बजानी चाहिए. There you go. See? Much better. It's been actually 2 years. Preeti, FLO, Flo, Vicky, she has single-handedly embarrassed me. No, kasam se, I'm being absolutely honest. By the way, Preeti, you're looking very pretty in red. मैंने देखा है सब कुछ बड़ा matching है. Roses red, Preeti in red. So we've come very color coordinated with everything, and I'm doing the black tie. She has written and written and written to my office, sometimes excited, sometimes impatient, sometimes I am the chairperson now, I'm going to leave, I want you to come to my city and to my people before that happens. Finally, I was to go to Manila, to Philippines to judge the Miss Universe. I'm just coming from there. And yes, you can applaud that. Yes. And I'm here today only because of that perseverance.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I feel so blessed. Thank you. So do you believe that life is a full circle? As you went to Manila again after 23 years, but this time as a judge. The same place where she was crowned as Miss Universe.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
how do you feel?
I feel like, I don't know what the big fuss is about. I was there in Manila when I was 18, and I went back when I'm 41, and I didn't feel anything was different, except that the crown was not on my head this time, which was a good thing, because after Manila 1994, I learned how to wear a crown in real life, how to always keep yourself tall. Yeah, it taught me that. So Manila was very, very special. I relived a lot of nostalgia, of course. But the Filipinos, the love they have shown me for 2 generations, Do you know Sushmita Sen, the full name, is now a Filipino name?
The Miss India pageant, the same year when Aishwarya Rai had given her name, 25 participants, they withdrew their name. But Miss Sen, she went forward and won the title, as we all know. So going into a competition where everyone thought that the winner was a foregone conclusion, what were your thoughts?
Okay, I'd love to take credit for it, but अपने पैरों पे खड़े होकर अपने पूरे दिल से, ईमानदारी से एक unique choice choose करना, I learned that much later. I was 17 and a half, and I have to give that credit to one of my greatest teachers, my mother. Yeah. Mum said, my greatest pride is that you are giving it a shot against all odds. Win or lose, you will find out that in life there is something called as an upset. And unless you give it a shot, you will never know if you can be an upset to someone. And if you don't want me to come and witness your victory, I won't come.
And how did you channelize your disadvantage into advantage?
Preeti has all these questions. I find that हम कितना भी project कर ले life में, कि हम, for the lack of another word, बहुत 30 मार खाएं. We are very accomplished and we know if anything goes wrong, we'll be there to stand up and fight for it and be there. But when a crisis really hits in life, the moment of truth arrives.
Adopted her at the age of 24, I'll correct. So what made you take such courageous step, and did it affect your career?
I was very amazed with that. And I said, there are so many children out there that need homes and moms and fathers. And I desperately want to be a mother. I don't want to waste my life trying to go with what is acceptable. This is acceptable to me, and that's enough. And my Renee came into my life. I became a better person.
What is the most important lesson that these girls taught you, Rini and Alisa?
Being a mother changes you is true. Everyone is unique. Your child is unique. In fact, if you have 2 children, they both are so different from each other. So every relationship is unique. It changes you in different ways. My elder daughter has taught me some things. My younger daughter has taught me some completely other things. They are 10 years apart. So it's like almost another generation, I feel. They've taught me patience, immense patience. They've taught me how to forgive, because they forgive so naturally. On a good day, on a bad day, it's okay, Mama. They don't carry baggage. Have you seen children get a firing? 5 seconds later, they've forgotten everything. They've taught me how magical that is.
About her, Miss Sen, she learned English at the age of 16. Wow. And you won Miss Universe. Yeah. So, how did you?
So I was told, pehli baat to, I did start going to an English medium school by the time I was in grade 9. Till then I was in Kendra Vidyalaya because my father was in the Indian Air Force. तो हम लोग posting कर करके हर 3 साल कहीं ना कहीं चले जाते थे, जहाँ पर एक केंद्र विद्यालय used to be the best constant school. So I did Ganit instead of maths. And I'm very proud of that, because I feel that in trying to go to an English medium school, the quality of education does not jump. You can learn that in Hindi as well. And you can learn it around children जो पढ़ना चाहते हैं, who are not doing a favor to their parents by coming to school. They really want to study. So I grew up in that. I have no regrets about that, but I didn't know English. So 9th में हर subject जो English में था उसमें fail हो गई. But the teachers were very nice. नहीं पहली बार attempt कर रहे हैं. So I got a second shot. Then my mother, of course, again, made sure I topped it.
Wow, Sushmita,
Khub Shundur. That was amazing. Sensational. Unique to behold. A woman of substance with a heart of gold. Ladies, please put your hands together for the one and only Sushmita Sen. Sushmita, that was some heavy duty stuff. Yeah. I would like to start off the questions on a light-hearted note. You are really tall. In an industry where heroes are 5 feet somethings, did you ever have a funny or embarrassing incident with regard to the height difference?
I'm sure that it did happen. Like actors like Chichi Govinda is a little more conscious. So अगर हम लोग अमेरिका में शूट कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ पर रास्ता है और फिर पेवमेंट है. तो मैं देख रही हूँ कि चीची सडनली पेवमेंट पे खड़े होकर नाच रहे हैं मेरे बाजू में. He has come up on the pavement and then David is saying, why are you up there? She goes, no, it looks better. Angle, camera lagao, it'll look better. There is Shah Rukh. He's quite chilled out with everything because he says, simple है. अगर ये कैमरा बहुत लो है तो वैसे ही बहुत लंबी लगेगी, you know. And Farah wants the camera low. तो बहुत आसान है, मैं झुक जाता हूँ. So he just went down for that shot. It was not written like that.
You seem to be very fearless, but I would want to know, what are you really afraid of?
I'm fearless because मुझे डर को पकड़ के रखना आता है. So then when you hold on to fear long enough, it turns to courage. So I'm fearless because I have a way of being patient with my fears. I am afraid of a lot of things, yes.
Take one last
Lamia has a
question from this little girl here.
Yes.
When did you start putting makeup?
Good Namya, everybody.
Hi.
Yes, hi. A lovely question. So I started wearing makeup when my mama allowed me to wear it. Thank you very much. अर्ज किया है मैम आपके लिए और आप सारे दिल वालों के लिए. ये दुनिया गम तो देती है, आप वाह वाह करिए ना. ये दुनिया गम तो देती है, शरीके गम नहीं होती. किसी के दूर जाने से मोहब्बत कम नहीं होती.
वाह वाह.